In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use one of AutoCAD's most useful precision tools, scaling with reference, to get accurate and perfectly proportioned drawings. This is a vital skill for ensuring your drawings are accurate and proportionally scaled to your needs. So let's dive straight in and learn this step-by-step process. To kick things off, the first step you need to take is selecting the objects you want to scale. This could be any element within your drawing that requires adjustment. Make sure to carefully click and highlight only the parts you want to include in this scaling process. A quick note here. If you haven't yet perfected selecting multiple objects, hold down the Shift key as you click, allowing you to choose several elements at once without losing your previous selections. Once you've highlighted your desired objects, head over to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. Here, you'll need to type Scale. Alternatively, if you're in a hurry, simply type the abbreviation, which is SC. This command activates the scaling function, allowing you to proceed with altering the size of your selected objects. Now comes an important decision: selecting a base point. The base point is crucial because it acts as the pivot around which your objects will scale. Essentially, it is the anchor, and everything else changes relative to this fixed spot. Choose a point that makes sense in the context of your drawing. This could be a corner, an intersection, or any place that feels intuitive for your scaling needs. By default, AutoCAD uses a scale value based on the distance your mouse is from your base point. This method is straightforward for some scenarios, but today we want to focus on scaling with precision using a visual reference. To do this, type Reference in the command line, or simply enter the letter R and press Enter. This option allows you to define a reference distance, giving you more control and accuracy over the scaling process.